Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very happy you are joining me and you've decided to do something for your health because we'll be strengthening back muscles in order to have healthier posture and minimize back pain if you have some. And myself, I have back problems since I was a child, so I try to do these exercises as often as possible to prevent worsening of my back issues or even reversing the damage I used to have. So let's hop on the mat and enjoy it.
We'll start in child's pose, so sit on the floor, arms in front of you. Slightly push into the palms so you can push your bum a little bit closer to the heels. Try to prolong the spine. Firstly, we want to try breathing to the lumbar spine, so we are sending the oxygen to the belly, observing how the belly is inflating like a balloon and deflating. And now we'll switch our focus to our chest. We'll start breathing and sending oxygen to the chest, so this time the upper body is filling with the air, expanding like a balloon. Great, let's move on all fours. Put your wrists under the shoulders and the knees under the hips. Inhale, arch your spine nicely. Exhale, round. Inhale, look up and arch. Exhale, push into the palms and knees, round. Again, inhale. And exhale, you can do it with your own pace. Well done, let's meet in neutral and we'll sit on our heels and just rotate with our wrists a little bit to prepare them for the next position. So grab it as you see, do some circles, warm them up. Great, let's go back on the all four. Again, make sure that your palms are right under the shoulders and the knees are under the hips. And I want you to really press into your knees and your palms to create a strong core. You really want to activate your belly muscles. And now once you are ready, without moving your hips anywhere, you stretch your left leg out and right arm out. All muscles on, hold. Try to pull your arm and leg away from each other. Alright, let's release. Now you can move your spine as you wish to. Okay, let's stop and let's prepare again our strong pose, strong base. So press into the palms and knee, stretch the right leg out and left arm out. Flex the right foot and hold. Really try to squeeze all the muscles. Don't forget to breathe. And release. Great job, everyone. You can shake off your wrists. And we'll go back to all fours. And we'll do the same. Prepare the base. Left leg out. And right arm out. Really try to pull them away from each other. Try to find the strength in the leg muscles, in the back, belly muscles and the arm. Great job, release. Again, you can do moves with your spine to loosen it up a little bit. Okie dokie, let's get stable. Right leg out and left arm out. Hold, breathe, and pull the limbs away from each other as much as possible. I'm a little bit shaking here. If you are too, that's a great sign you're doing it right. Well done, everyone. Let's release back on the floor. Sit on the heels. And let's move to the child's pose. This time you can put your arms along the body or however you feel like it. And breathe, relax the spine. Let's roll slowly back up and we'll move on our belly. I want you to put your fingertips next to your shoulders. Your leg muscles are on, your back muscles are on, and with inhalation you'll lift a little bit up and exhale down. Inhale up slightly and exhale down. Really feel how the muscles are working. You are not lifting with your arms, but with your muscle strength of the back. Last one. Really try to do your best and exhale down. Well done. Let's interlace the fingers behind our back, open the chest nicely and lift up. Hold and breathe. If you can manage, try to lift also your legs up. Squeeze the muscles, really try to do your best and release. Okie dokie. Let's lift ourselves up. Now spread the knees and let's go again to child's pose. This time a bit different since we spread the knees. And breathe. Enjoy the relaxation of the back. Okay, we'll move to the belly once more time. And this time I want you to put your arms into the right angle. Activate all your muscles. Inhale up. Exhale, squeeze the elbows together and back to the front and down. Up, squeeze the elbows and down. Let's do it in our own pace a few more times. If you want to achieve nice and deep back bends, you really have to start here by making your back strong, and this will help you to go deeper into the back bends. Alright, well done everyone. Let's go on our back. Grab your knees and you can swing from right to left just to relax our lower back after the previous workout. Now let's change direction. Your knees go away from you and towards your chest. Okay, now grab just your left knee and stretch your right leg in front of you. Your right leg is flexed and active. Let's change. So this time you're grabbing your right knee. Your left leg is straight, active and flexed. Stretching the left hip. Okay, let's put the right leg back to the floor. You can shake off the legs. And now put your feet close to your bum. This will be our last back strengthening exercise. It's a bridge pose. Inhale, start slowly lifting vertebra by vertebra your back. Push your hips up and exhale slowly down. Inhale, lift up. Push your hips as high as possible and exhale slowly down. Make sure that your knees are not going away from each other. You really want to press them closer to each other. Let's go up for the last time. As slow as possible. All muscles on. And this time you want to stay here. Interlace your arms under you. And try to open the chest even more. Push the hips even higher. It's a great exercise, not just for the back muscles, but also the whole legs and the hip area is working. Great job. Let's slowly release back on the floor. You can again grab your knees, sway them from side to side. Just to relax your spine. Now grab your feet from outside to happy baby pose. Press the knees down towards the floor. The feet we want to have nicely up towards the ceiling. And let's hold, breathe, and try to relax in this pose. Well done. Let's release and let's move to seated. You can do it slowly, we have time. Choose your favorite variation. If your back tends to round up and they are not strong enough, I suggest putting something under your bum like a small pillow that will make you a bit higher. Alright. Put your palms on the shoulders and we'll start doing circles. We want to do it slow. Try to open your chest so you really can feel the muscles working. Okay, change direction. We'll do the same direction, just smaller circles. You try to do them as slow as possible, and at the same time we are opening the chest. Let's change direction and really try to pull your spine up, prolong it. Okay, great job. Let's release. We can shake it off a little bit. I'm gonna change legs. You can do it too. And again, we'll start here with our palms on shoulders. With exhalation, turn to the right. And inhale, rise your arms up. And back down to the center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, rise arm up. Really try to pull your spine nicely up. And back on the shoulders and to the center. We'll do it one more time to each side. Don't forget to breathe. I know it's tough. And let's release. Again, we can shake our arms off. Now I want you to sit in a way that your heels are in front of each other. So one heel is in between your legs and the second heel is in front of the other one. Straighten your back, and with exhalation we'll go on our forearms. Really try to maintain your back straight. If you cannot reach on your forearms, you can put something underneath, maybe yoga blocks. And we are breathing. If you want to, you can stretch your arms all the way to the front. Let's move to the right side, stretching our left side of the upper body. Breathe. And let's go to the other side. Okay, back to the center, and let's slowly roll up. Now switch the heels. And we'll do the same. So with straight back, let's go on the forearms first. Really try to push the belly closer to the floor. You should feel your hips stretching. And again, if you want to straighten the arms fully. Let's move to the right side. And to the left side. Well done, everyone. Back to the center and slowly up. Great job. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms to chest. Inhale, arms up. Catch all the positive energy, and with exhalation, pull it down towards yourself. Inhale, up. Exhale, and pull all the goodness, all the good energy towards your body. Namaste.